Hi Chris, today I will take a video to talk about birds. Birds has two wings and so it can fly in the sky. So I think the flying is the most special ability of bird. So the birds had big too. They use beak to uh, mm, to eat and to break down the food, break down the nut and something thing like that to break down to easy to eat. So and they had talon too. They use talon cast to cast prey and to uh, to cut the branch of tree when you want to sit or sleep on the tree. But anyway, I think the flying is the most special ability of bird, and if the bird can fly, it's so sad. Um, Today I will share you some my some information I read from a book before. Uh, the bird when a bird flag is green, the upstroke is easy, but the downstroke is hard because the its bone structure like that. Uh, its bone structure they you want to fly to fly fly. So to make to make a bird as light as possible to easy to obstruct uh, obstruct bird shoulder bone are hold on. It's a hold on like hold on to wet to make their body is light as possible to easy to obstruct to easy to fly in the sky. So and the wing have to strong and powerful to how to make their wing is powerful. If the muscle into bird's wing is stronger than the muscle on top. That's the reason why the bird's wing is powerful because the muscle under bird under bird's wing is stronger than on top. On top the muscle is not strong. So it's the muscle and the and bone muscle and bone is the is structure like is structure to make the bird uh, fly easily to fly easily. So when the birds fly in the sky to remain to maintain in the sky, a bird have to keep uh, its wing above the wing and the and is there beat them. I just keep it just keep the wing above the wing and don't and just beat them. Just keep like that. Yeah, to fly in the sky. So they just they just beat their wing when they want to obstruct. Want to obstruct the bird have to flap its wing and when you want to downstroke they don't fly too much. So and the bird eat the bird is bird and is insect and nut or seed too. Um, I see the bird is the right is dry too when my family dry dry the dry um, when we harvest dry many birds come to eat so and some birds are friendly and intelligent like parrots like door is so friendly they uh, they fly they fly in the sky and uh, they come to my home and they eat and sit and they stay sometimes they play with my children with my niece um, but some birds are dumb and aggressive some birds aggressive like the uh, old is angry always they don't want to close the people maybe they scare or but it's, they don't want to close the people close the human I don't know why so and some birds some birds are small some birds are small and some birds are big. Some birds are small like sparrow, and some birds are big like the eagle. And and uh, I see the many birds come and stay around my house when spring come. But when the winter come, the birds is late. The, the birds is late than summer. Maybe they have to migrate to warmer place like go to the south or go to they have to migrate to a warmer place to because of because when the winter come the food is not enough for them. They they have to migrate because of lack of food and and when a winter come is the is rain too much and it's the bad weather and they can go out they can fly to earn to earn food to earn food to earn food so it's the not enough food for them so they have to migrate because of lack of food yeah and when the bad weather and winter come the plant have to grow the plant don't grow so it don't have a birds don't have insect enough so mm, because because the flying is the most special ability of birds. So if I were a bird, I would fly around the world with my wings. And if I were a bird, I would live on the tree. I love tree. I always feel I feel better when I sit under a tree when have many tree around me. I always feel better and feel good. I feel happy. Yeah, so if I were a bird, I would lie on the tree all day long. So but I think the 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 life as a bird is not easy. I think it's the same as human because the planet is our planet is imbalance now. So and the bird's habitat is destroyed by human. The human cut tree too much to build a house, to build um, a high building, to build to make the roads, to build roads, and their bird's habitat is destroyed, and the planet is imbalanced now. So I think life as a bird is not easy. It's the same of human, but um, no one hunts human, but human hunt a bird too much now. They hunt a bird to eat, and hunt a bird to hunt a bird for fun, for game, and the humans prey on birds. So I think life as bird is not easy, even it's hard now. So mm, yeah, so because uh, because the birds can fly, it's made the birds special. It's made the birds special, but many many people many people who keep the birds like a pet bird. They keep the birds in the cage and raise them and feed them every day. But the bird just only fly around the cage. They the, they don't know about more. They don't know more about nature. They cannot fly too much like and they don't they, I think because because birds can fly is made is so special. It's made so special anymore. So but if you keep the bird at the birds uh, pet pet bird, and they keep them in the but keep them in the cage, so it can the bird can buy too bird can buy too much just around cage. So I don't like it. I disagree with the idea. I think should um, we should plant many trees around our house, and then and you can hang a cup with the with seed or nut or rye or something the bird food something the bird food inside is the attract is will attract the bird come and the bird will eat. And in a it's a long time, the birds will come is the like habit, and maybe it will live in uh, in our street in the tree mm, around our house. So the bird will live there, and they will have a bird. That's the way my father and I do. I I don't have a bird. I don't have a bird, and and birds are my father and I, we plant many trees around our land, around our house. So when the tree grow up and become a big tree, the and we we uh, we feed the sheep the rice on land many times, and the birds come then and eat this, and many times like this, many times like this, the birds come and they live in the street, they live in our street. And now when I wake up every day, I can listen to bird song every day, every morning. When I wake up, I listen to the bird song, and yeah, and easy to see is I it's not only uh, bird also squirrel. I will share you a video. Squirrel and birds fly and sing a song around my house. It's very nice. So if you can do it, if you can plant a tree around your house, you will have bird. It's a wild bird. It, and you don't need to keep a bird in the cage and uh, and worry about they will fly away. Don't worry, they will stay there. Maybe they will go away, but then another bird will come and live there, and you can hear bird song every day, and you can feed them too. You just uh, bring the bring nut of feed and spray it uh, on the land. The birds will come. And in the same line, you want to take a look to look after the bird, or to look after something when you want to spend time to do it, and you can make the cup with the food inside. Also you can do it. Don't need to buy a bird and raise a bird in a cage. In cage, I think it's the better. um, I think it's the good way to have a bird, to have a wild bird, to listen a bird song, to feed them. Is the is more nature. It's more natural. So mm, maybe they want to they they have a bird pet bird, just because they want to take care of something, uh, to spend their love, but they can just maybe they you should try to plant the tree around the house. The birds will come and you will have bird. So some some people some people who said the birds are intelligent and smart like the parrots. The parrots can speak and repeat what you say, but I don't think the parrots are smart smart enough to know what is saying. I think it just repeat, it just imitating sound, but don't but it doesn't understand enough uh, what is mean. So, but some in some situation they view bird as the evidence to show to to show to use bird as the evidence to to show the evidence. But I don't. I disagree with that. I think we can use the bird as the reference, and then we make to more research or more things um, later. Uh, but just don't use the birth as the evidence. I think it's not strong evidence enough to uh, to define is a crime or not. I think like that. So thank you for watching. I think that's all related, but I want to share with you. So if I have another opinion related to this topic, I will make another video to talk about birds. So thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.